Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are stepping out of the house and onto the pavement to discuss a trend that is taking the architectural world by storm: modern front yard hardscaping. At its core, modern hardscaping refers to the intentional use of non-living elements, such as stone, concrete, wood, and metal, to create a structured, clean-lined environment in your front garden. Unlike traditional landscaping, which focuses heavily on lush, flowing greenery, modern hardscaping prioritizes the bones of the yard. It is characterized by geometric shapes, minimalist palettes, and a seamless integration between the natural earth and man-made structures. It is about creating a deliberate path for the eye to follow, turning a simple entrance into a sophisticated architectural statement. Investing in modern hardscaping offers more than just a pretty view. It provides a range of practical advantages that can significantly increase your home's value. One of the primary benefits is low maintenance. By replacing vast, thirsty lawns with high-quality pavers, gravel, or stone, you drastically reduce the time and money spent on mowing, weeding, and watering. Furthermore, hardscaping provides essential structural integrity to your property, helping with drainage and preventing soil erosion through the use of retaining walls and leveled tiers. From a financial perspective, a well-executed modern hardscape offers incredible curb appeal, often yielding a high return on investment because it makes the property look finished, permanent, and meticulously cared for. To make your modern hardscaping truly shine, the secret lies in the balance between hard and soft textures. You want to avoid making the front yard look like a parking lot by introducing organic elements that soften the sharp lines of concrete or stone. Decorate by using rhythm. Repeat certain shapes or materials, like using the same slate for your walkway and your retaining walls, to create a cohesive look. Incorporate different levels. Raised planters or sunken pathways add a 3D effect that feels custom designed. Finally, don't underestimate the power of contrast. Pairing dark charcoal pavers with light gray river rocks, or placing vibrant green architectural plants against a white stucco wall, creates a high-end, gallery-like feel that looks professional and inviting. When selecting items for your modern hardscape, quality and geometry are your best friends. Large-format concrete pavers are a staple for creating sleek, floating walkways, while pea gravel or Mexican beach pebbles provide excellent texture for filling gaps and managing drainage. For lighting, look for minimalist LED path lights or recessed uplights that highlight the texture of a stone wall or the silhouette of a tree. Sleek, oversized planters in materials like corten steel, fiberglass, or polished concrete are perfect for adding pops of greenery without cluttering the space. Additionally, consider invisible elements like hidden drainage systems and high-quality landscape fabric to ensure your hardscape stays pristine and weed-free for years to come. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here's the compilation of the top 10 best modern front yard hardscaping ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the multi-tiered floral sanctuary. This design utilizes a sophisticated gray retaining wall system to create a tiered garden bed. By elevating the plants, it adds depth to a flat facade. The contrast between the cool gray stone and the vibrant purple and pink perennials creates a welcoming, soft modern entrance that frames the central staircase beautifully. 2. Classic elegance with boxwood borders. This look proves that modern hardscaping can be timeless. It features clean-lined stone steps and a low-profile stone wall that separates the lush green lawn from the formal entryway. The symmetry of the spherical boxwoods and the dark mulch provides a crisp, tailored aesthetic that screams luxury and high-end curb appeal. 3. Geometric Desert Zen. Perfect for contemporary homes, this idea uses large concrete slabs separated by grass joints to create a rhythmic walkway. The use of a raised, tiled planter box as a focal point, featuring a palm tree and drought-tolerant succulents, offers a clean, arid chic vibe that is both artistic and extremely low maintenance. 4. The illuminated stone path. This design focuses on the transition from driveway to door. It features a wide concrete staircase flanked by river rock beds. The integrated warm-toned path lighting not only ensures safety but highlights the textures of the stones and the manicured lawn, creating a magical glow during the evening hours. 5. Grand Stone Terrace Entrance. For larger estates, a wide flagstone patio creates a grand sense of arrival. This design uses light-colored natural stone to brighten the front of the house, complemented by large white hydrangea bushes. The combination of the heavy stonework and the soft white blooms provides a perfect balance of strength and beauty. 6. Modern farmhouse tiered walls. This idea utilizes dark, metallic look retaining walls against a white siding backdrop. The tiers allow for a clean separation of space, while the stone-paved stairs provide a sturdy, high-contrast path. It's a great example of how hardscaping can bridge the gap between rustic farmhouse styles and modern minimalism. 7. Minimalist coastal glow. This design is all about less is more. A smooth, light-colored driveway leads to a minimalist garden bed featuring wispy ornamental grasses and subtle uplighting. The low concrete wall provides a clean boundary that keeps the focus on the sleek architecture of the home and the soft, ambient lighting. 8. The sculptural garden path. Focusing on curves and organic shapes within a hardscape, this design uses a natural stone edge to create a flowing garden bed. By mixing different heights of shrubs and trees with a lush green lawn, the hardscaping acts as a frame for a living masterpiece, making the front yard feel like a private park. 9. Slate and succulent sophistication. This ultra-modern look uses a dark wood garage door and slate-tiled walls to create a moody, high-end atmosphere. The ground-level hardscaping features dark mulch and architectural succulents, which pop against the dark stone, creating a look that is both edgy and incredibly sophisticated. 10. The pristine pebble and paver grid. This design is the pinnacle of clean. It features a stark white pebble bed accented by a grid of concrete pavers. The use of symmetrical cone-shaped evergreens and a sharp, curved lawn edge creates a highly organized, sterile yet stylish look that perfectly complements modern flat-roofed architecture. Modern front yard hardscaping is truly the ultimate way to transform your home's exterior from ordinary to extraordinary. By focusing on structure, quality materials, and a balanced design, you create a space that is not only beautiful to look at but also functional and easy to maintain. Whether you prefer the sharp lines of a concrete path or the soft glow of a stone-walled garden, these elements work together to tell the story of your home before anyone even steps through the front door. If you found these modern hardscaping ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more outdoor and indoor inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of the 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
you.